Well,
how do you dial it? I don't know how to dial it.
you don't know how to use that phone?
No.
Why are you
It's
pushing?
not touchscreen.
Well, how would you think you would do it? Try.
It's not touchscreen, Mom.
It's rotary dial. Do you know what that means? It's rotary dial.
I don't want to break a nail.
Huh?
I don't get it.
You don't get it. Okay.
Oh, do you do that? I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how to dial it?
No.
How do you hang it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
That.
You don't know how to dial that phone.
No.
Cooper, you pick it up. Feel how heavy it is. You go like this, each number. So how would you dial Mommy's phone?
I don't know the. Oh, I see the numbers. Never
For,
mind.
you don't know what the numbers are. Oh my God.
What?
So no, you go to 4. You go to 4.
Wait, this what?
No, you stick your finger up.
Is that just
4. Wait, 4, 1, 0. Now do the rest. Here, you do it.
Wait.
Start over. Dial my number. No, that only does 1. You've got to put it in here.
Oh.
Right? 4.
Uh,
991. No, you got to stick your finger in so it knows it's 9.
but I don't want to break a nail.
9, 1, 7, 6, 9. This is how we used to have to dial. Is that wild?
Is that touchscreen right there?
Is that wild? Wait, also, look at
Does
the
it
number.
work?
What's the phone? Yeah, it works. Yeah. Feel how heavy it is.
It's not heavy.
Wait, also,
I don't want to do it.
you want to try? What's the phone number here? If it's heavy, I told you it's heavy.
My hand hurts.
Wait, what's the phone number here? What does it say? Do you know how to read it? No, phone numbers were always here in the center. What's the phone number?
What's this? I'm confused about this phone number. How short is it?
Well, what does it say?
It says 2925.
No. But it says 8.
8 minus 2.
8 minus what?
8 minus 295.
It's not minus. It's 8. That's the number. Oh my God. You thought it was a minus? Okay. So that's how phones used to work. Is that wild?
Is that touchscreen
So
right there?
it's not 8 minus 29 or 2529. It's 82925. You got to do it all or it'll pick up a 2, not a 3. You've got to use the holes. You have to use the holes, Lila. 4. Is that wild, Li?
How would you not break a nail? I don't want to break a nail.
Okay, all right.
This thing's evil.
End of lesson.
My nail. I don't
That's
want
how we had to deal when we were kids.
your nail break.
And oh, by the way, it was tethered. You could only go so far. Oh. No, you couldn't walk outside or down the street. Listen.